Saker silicone caulking tools could combine 3 functions into one, including an internal angle scraper, a flat angle scraper, and a silicone smoother. It can help you remove the seal, reseal, repair the gap, and clean up the residual glue easily. Goldblatt G2007 glass style nippers are the perfect tool to quickly and easily cut precise shapes. Trim glass style to fit around pipes, cabinets, and walls. It is perfect for cutting tiles, mosaics, stained glass, mirrors, stone, ice jade terrazzo, and agate. Goldblatt G2008 tile nippers can be used for softer materials like wall and floor ceramics, marble, and stone. It works great on grinding all kinds of metal items, hardwood fine grinding, and grinding sawtooth. Klein Tools Impact Punchdown Tool. Premium performance, Impact Punchdown Tool provides precise, reliable connections every time. Used to punch data cables into 66-110 panels and blocks. Terminate and cut wire in one step with the MIM Precision Ground Combination 66-110 blade. The tool features the traditional punch-down style form with a cushioned, non-slip handle. Kaka Industrial's Tube and Pipe Notcher. Kaka Industrial Precision Pipe Notcher has a useful fixture for your drill press. Made of aluminum, it is durable, light, and portable. It features 0.45-degree adjustable head, suitable for any standard drilling machine. Its ergonomic design provides simple operation and is the ideal choice for electricians, plumbers, mechanics, etc. The base may be swiveled and rotated, which, in conjunction with the adjustable pipe holder, makes cutting compound dangles easy. The pipe and tubing notcher secures up to 2 of diameter round tubing to notch angles of up to 45 degrees. Zenith Industries Floor Lifter. The Zenith floor lifter is designed specifically for safely removing hardwood floors, ceramic tile, trim, nails, or glued countertops, and it's great for scraping off popcorn ceilings. The floor lifter has a larger angle with an integrated wedged center that provides increased removal efficiency for more aggressive extractions on bigger jobs, and its longer design provides for a deeper plunge on wider baseboards and trim, eliminating the need for a shim or small board spacer. Rapid multipurpose hand riveter with multi-nozzle. Durable, multipurpose hand riveter with a multi-nozzle system which allows it to be operated without any nozzle changes. Ideal for fixing automotive plates, mudguards, or any kind of metal sheet, with a soft grip handle. Ideal for prolonged use, strong metal jaws. HOTO Laser Measurement Tool. HOTO Laser Measurement Tool is the winner of the Red Dot Design Award. The patented little yellow ring is made of rubber paint, which is convenient to hold and fix the laser measurement. The appearance adopts a minimalist design style, and the matte texture is not easy to leave fingerprints. This is a super small and ultralight laser measure, which is as perfect for one-handed measurements. You can put it in your pocket or carry it everywhere. Aries Universal Multi-Position Lug Wrench. This multi-position lug wrench comes with 3 popular socket sizes: 17 mm, 19 mm, and 21 mm. This lug wrench also includes low-net-inch drive socket adapter to use with your favorite lug nut socket. Also included is a pouch bag for compact storage and carry. Stainless hydraulic equipment introduces the DW408B electric hydraulic threaded rod cutter. This unit gives the operator the easy task of cutting threaded rod without damaging the thread after completing the cut. The DW408B electric threaded rod cutter is extremely reliable, powerful, and easy to use and has the ability to cut all mild steel and stainless steel hooker rod. This unit features a locking pin system that enables the user to switch and change cutting dies in a matter of seconds. This tool is designed and precision manufactured in Japan and is available from Stainless Hydraulic Equipment. WORX ZipSnip Cordless Electric Scissors. The ZipSnip cuts through paper, plastic packaging, cloth, cardboard, leather, canvas, carpet, wallpaper, wire net, flower stems, and much more. It makes short work of any of those materials, up to 1/4 thick. It comes with one blade, and the ZipSnip uses a self-sharpening mechanism so it's always operating at peak performance. After a while though, every blade gets dull. When that happens, we offer replacements in packs of 2. Woodpeckers Joint Bridge Clamping Pad Set. The new joint bridges provide a novel, problem-solving solution to this age-old problem. In a nutshell, they localize the pressure to even out each joint individually, and do it without getting inadvertently glued to your carefully prepared workpiece. These simple, economical clamping aids deliver smoother, flatter panel glue-ups, which require less planning and sanding. Aries 4-in-1 Quick Change Tubing Bender Pliers. This tubing bender is made of heavy-duty steel material with a precision machined aluminum 4-in-1 mandrel and a black powder coat finish for added durability. Designed for single-handed operation, the cushioned, texture-dipped handle lets you maintain a comfortable, firm grip during use for better control over your bends. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.